Ad revenue isn't the best way to make money from YouTube Shorts. However, not everyone has this awareness. With thousands of video content creators receiving millions of views, several of them must have turned into a millionaire by now if they only know this secret. Some viral videos online make over $500, while some receive minimum to no profit despite having the same views and overall stats. Some receive thousands of dollars for the massive number of their page views, and they can actually maximize their earnings by following the tips and tricks that will be shared in this video. There's actually a lot of ways to make money from YouTube Shorts, and you're lucky to be watching this video to take advantage of valuable information such as this. Let's get into it. Find the right YouTube Shorts. We all know that humans are born as curious creatures who would grasp anything that will feed their curiosity. Some content creators are aware of this, and hence create videos that strike that thirst for knowledge of many people. Suppose you would take a look at the most watched videos on YouTube Shorts. In that case, you will notice that most of them are fact-filled, such as stories, fun facts, psychological facts, or any bizarre facts that most people are curious about. These videos are receiving millions of views every month, and you could potentially receive the same result by following their trails. Copy and paste YouTube Shorts. To create a Shorts video, you can make use of the platform called Listverse, where you can find information that you could turn into video content. Listverse is a platform that features intriguing and fascinating knowledge that are rare gems. You can get exciting yet credible content. They have a wide variety of sections you could choose from, such as weird facts, lifestyle, science, crime, history, misconception, and many more categories. For example, you want to create a Shorts video about top 10 misconceptions we want to believe. What comes next is to copy the text you want to include in the video, and then head over to a video editing platform like InVideo. Even if you have no background in creating videos, InVideo is an exceedingly user-friendly platform, doing almost everything for you. All you need is to sign up, choose a dimension, 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, choose a template, and paste the information you gathered from Listverse. Remember, plagiarism could get you in trouble, so you should paraphrase the sentences and put the details into your own words after pasting the details. Once you're done with the details, you only need to click Next, and InVideo will process the entire video content for you. However, the videos that the platform insert in the video might not be relevant to the scenes you inserted. If that's the case, remove the irrelevant video and drop a new media coming either from InVideo's library or stock video websites like Pexel or Pixabay. Get views on YouTube. After saving the video on your computer, upload it to your channel. Ensure that you put in a brief and catchy title and a good description. To get tons of views from YouTube, you can take advantage of Video IQ, which is the leading technology for video analytics. It is a YouTube-certified free analytic tool that is widely used for keyword and trending video research. If you search a specific keyword in the platform, you will see the search volume of that keyword and the level of competition around it. Some related keywords sustain just thousands of research but have high competition, while some have over a million searches but have low to medium competition. From the listed related keywords, choose keywords with low competition but have high search volume and use it to optimize your video. You could also use Video IQ as an extension to see analytics easily in your YouTube account. With Video IQ, you will be able to see the tags that viral videos, related to your niche, used and employ those tags in the video you're about to upload. It will also give you recommendations on appropriate tags that you should use to boost views. Make money with YouTube Shorts. The steps mentioned above may be familiar to you if you're already a YouTuber, but the following details are the real highlight of this video. Again, ad revenue is not the only way you could make money from YouTube Shorts. Ad revenue profits may give you a few bucks, but adding other monetization alternatives might even make video creation your primary source of income. Try out these monetization options to make the most out of your videos. Use print on demand. Websites like Teespring allows users to put up their designs for different products, then sell them. You don't have to create inventories nor ship them. There's no need for you to actually have the product at hand. You could just upload your design on Teespring and sell it on YouTube. Put the link of your design on your video's description box, and whenever someone buys using your link, you will make commissions. Affiliate or cost per action marketing. In this case, you will promote and offer people a product where they don't have to pay for anything. Instead, you just have to get them sign up to earn reasonable commissions. One example of a product you can promote is Audible, which is a product of the famous Amazon company. If you get into the Audible affiliate marketing program, you can earn $5 for every person you get to sign up for their free trial digital membership. There's a big potential that they will actually go for your offer because it won't cost them a penny to do so. At the end of the day, people love freebies. If the person liked the product and eventually signed up for the gold membership, you will receive $10 as a commission. If you want to promote other offers, ClickBank and Digistore can provide you with thousands of products to promote where you could earn generous commissions from. That's all from us today, folks. For more similar content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.